Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Welcome back. Please like and subscribe. That'd be great. Thank you as we build up this channel. Look at properties here and around the world each week. And today we're in Sicily, Italy. Yes, indeed. Sicily off the coast there. And Sicilians are proud to be from Sicily. And they certainly are if you meet one. Now let's look at this amazing home. And here it is, 4 full bathrooms, 5 bedrooms on 12.36 acres, and they haven't given us any other details really. So let's have a look at it. Price, no price given, but it will be in the millions. And look at this as we come to the front of the home and we see this amazing water feature. It is quite spectacular into the pool. I mean, that is simply incredible as we see this runoff down here and into this beautiful pool, probably a slate style or stone style in there. So pretty impressive indeed. The house itself looking amazing. Here's some soft chairs here, and we're seeing tiling all throughout, and then that amazing view over the ocean. That is why it's in the millions and millions price range. And then we've got some outdoor showers here as well that look like light posts from this distance. A water feature. What's this here for? What's this water tap here? That's an interesting one. That must be feeding this feature here. Looks pretty good to me. Inside, we see some amazing paneling on the left. Quite large dining table. And some stairs up to my right. Looking inside, pitched ceiling, pitched roof, very nice. And a picture window out to that water feature. And that's class, San Diego. That really is. Yes, crushed velvet chair, stairs up to the dining area, and then stairs up to the next level as well. So beautifully put together from an architectural point of view. This is simply stunning. There's that water pipe, that standpipe into the water here, into the feature down. And then we've got beach chairs lined with some amazing trees as well. And then up into the house, lots of lovely paneling and reflective windows too. So an impressive home overlooking the sea. Look at this timber floor. It is gorgeous, and that is bringing this house together as we see all the different roof styles, the angles here, downlights and more, big glass features. It really is a beautiful house indeed. Brought to you by Sotheby's. Stairs up to the roof terrace, beautiful as well. Night lights there, and the privacy as you walk up. Then down over the different levels, the ground floor, first floor. It is quite an exquisite home for sure. Loving this couch. L-shaped, views out over the ocean. It really is a beauty, isn't it? What a wonderful home in Sicily. Modern home. And we've got a wine fridge here. We've got a lovely bank of cabinetry, gas cooker, and more. Just simply incredible. Looking into the library. Yes, there it is. There's the library. That stack of books right there. And then dining area with the shutter type materials there. Probably keeping the sun out when it's too sunny on that side. Steps up to the terrace with this little bifold door here. And a lacquered dining table finish with a lovely shine on it. There's that roof terrace looking pretty spectacular. Nice and private. And then the pool area as well. Lovely landscape gardens. And luscious driveway, conifers and more. So beautiful. Inside, we're looking at a bedroom here. Looking out onto a balcony. Lovely shrubberies out there. Downlights giving it a majestic feel. What a warm house this certainly is. Into the ensuite, lovely tiles and a beautiful room. Lots of tiles here. White in the shower, cream in the hall, and then black on the sides. Really quite nice indeed. Yes, indeed. Sicily looking good this time of year. And look at this for an arched feel down here. This is just spectacular. Wow. And what more can you say? It really is beautiful. Sicily, not used to be known for its modern homes, but on this occasion it is. Usually a place of older homes and older styles, but this modern, look at that, beautiful. Loving the pebbles inside the double glazed. And then there's a fireplace here and steps up. Lots of use of different colored tiles in this home, and good to see lights and darks. Then we see that amazing driveway with stone. And down to the underground car park, or you can park up top. Really spectacular. Lovely roof line there. The blue sky, bringing it out, making it pop. And fantastic green grass, beautifully manicured. And the lines of the house going along with this wonderful a retaining wall area. Retained wall looking so good in that plaster finish. There's the view again from inside, a huge picture window, striking, standing out, and making the Sicilian masterpiece of a modern home really work. With that first and second level looking spectacular, the stairs exposed. It looks fantastic, where it's all finished underneath the stairs here in a wonderful timber. There's the fireman's pole going down there, and that's a unique thing as well. It looks like a house off a James Bond movie or some modern type movie. That's a great shot too. Great angle. It really comes together. The view is exceptional, and the positioning is wonderful as well on top of the hill. Really love this house. Isn't it a fantastic example? But for Sicily, it certainly surprises me. Was not expecting to see this in that part of the world. Massive, beautiful ensuite. Absolutely fantastic. Sotheby's, you've got a winner right there. What else can we tell you about it? Well, you've seen it all, really. It's just a beauty. Sicily down here, right at the top, next to the mainland. And just exceptional. What was the favorite picture there? Well, it had to be that one there. It had to be the pool. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Give us comments too, what you like or don't like about a house. That'd be great as well. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.